What's up, everyone? It's Winstonee coming to you all with a brand new video after being gone for a whole year. That's crazy because it didn't even feel like that long. It really felt like I posted yesterday. I'm just kidding. It didn't feel like I posted yesterday, but it definitely didn't feel like it was a whole year. So that's my bad. I apologize for abandoning you all. I won't do it again. I hope everyone is doing well. I have so many videos to share with you guys. In this first video, I'm going to be showing you a quick hair growth hack using nothing but 2 tea bags, coconut oil, and peppermint oil. So as you can see here, the ingredients you'll need is, of course, the coconut oil, the peppermint oil, the 2 tea bags, and you also need some hot water for the tea. So the first thing you want to do is get some hot water. For the demonstration of this video, I'm using a stove burner with a pot of water, but there's easier ways to get hot water. You can just, heat up a cup of water in the microwave, or if you have a Keurig machine, you can get hot water from there. Once you get the water hot, it really don't have to be boiling, but once you get it hot, you're gonna put the 2 tea bags in the water and let it just simmer in there and wait for the water to completely cool down before doing anything else. In the meantime, you want to make sure that your coconut oil is in oil form if it's not already, and that it's ready to go into the mixture once it cools down. Mine's isn't, so I'm going to go ahead and melt my coconut oil really quickly on the burner. Once the tea has cooled down, then it's time to bring all of the ingredients together. The best way to do that is with the applicator bottle, but if you don't have one of those, then you can just use any container that you have available. Once the tea is in the container, you only need to put a few drops of coconut oil and a few drops of peppermint oil in the mixture. Then you want to apply a generous amount of the liquid to your scalp and massage it in. Once it's in your hair, let it sit in for at least 30 minutes and then rinse it out with warm water. You can do this treatment to your hair at least once a week, and it'll have your hair feeling refreshed, energized, especially with the peppermint, because the peppermint will make your hair feel, like minty, but in your hair. Like y'all know how peppermint works. It works to stimulate your scalp, so stimulate the roots of your hair, stimulate blood flow in that area so that your hair can grow. So if you guys have any questions about this method, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And if you're serious about growing your hair, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I will be coming out with more hair growth hacks, techniques, and also ways to take care of your hair. Turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any new video I post, and I will see you all in my next video.